What's up, what up, everybody? I got the side skirts in, came in last night. So pretty much, that's what they look like. Ordered this from Walmart. As you can see, I'm not gonna take it out box yet. But this was $60. These are the two sides here. Your driver and your passenger. I think it was 78.6. I'll leave a link in the description. But both of these were 60. As you can see, I'm not gonna take it out the pack or nothing. Gotta go to work this morning, but I'm just trying to get a quick video showing this. They come in the 3-piece, as you can see. Hopefully it matches up. It fits well. It do come with hardware inside. Not bad for 60 bucks, I must say. Come with the brackets to stabilize that across. Not bad at all. Those go on the side. Let me put this back in. Not bad for 60 bucks, man. Like I don't try to spend so much on this, so that's not bad for 60 bucks at all. So I was recommended this through Nissan Altima group here. So we got those. Next thing I want to show you, this go on the rear. I accidentally ordered the carbon fiber one, but I'm just gonna paint it over. A lot of y'all say, man, that carbon fiber is sick. But you know, the rest of my cars don't match up with that. So this is the carbon fiber one. They go on the rear. Yeah, hopefully I can get one out so you can see it. Yeah, this tapes up against the rear. Should flare out like you see on the side. This piece right here where the hole's at goes up under. Screw them in. Hopefully that's the way it goes. I'm gonna figure this out. But I just want to, this also comes with screw hardware. This one was about 20 bucks. So later on this evening, if it's not raining, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these on. Well, try to see what it look like up against the car. I'm not gonna install it yet because I really don't have time right now. It might get installed this weekend, who knows? But yeah, I got them in. That one's gonna get painted black, match up with that. And these should match up with the front pretty good. So just giving y'all a little update, the parts that came in, and we're gonna go from there. So appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned. This is coming up, getting installed soon. So y'all stay tuned.